Meaning of HMRC.
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 HMRC. HMRC stands for Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs. It is a non-ministerial UK government department responsible for the administration and collection of taxes, as well as other forms of revenue such as national insurance contributions. In addition to tax collection, HMRC also enforces various other regulations related to trade and business in the UK. The department was formed in 2005 by the merger of the Inland Revenue and Customs and Excise departments. HMRC plays a critical role in funding public services and maintaining economic stability in the UK.